Welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Friday the 18th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Looking at this gold chart, which again has fallen sharply. You're still in this downtrend channel. I say still in, I mean you did slightly break below it, but sort of rebound back into it would suggest you're still broadly trading in this sort of downward trend phase or channel phase. But looking at the the daily indicators, not all that positive, is it? Stochastics falling consistently, RSI just sort of rolling over again, and you've got the MACD lines, which are sort of, well, negatively configured, not doing a great deal to be honest, but it would still suggest selling rallies, and that I think is going to continue to be the case. Now on this chart, we had a low of 1045.85 in early December. That is a really big low, a multi-year low that dates back, here we go, on a 10-year basis, dates back to sort of 2009, and to be honest, there's not a great deal of support until you get to $1,000. $1,000 being an old ceiling, and obviously massive key psychological level. But there's hardly any support, is there? So this one could continue to fall, and you'd certainly argue that the trend lower is continuing. Rallies continue to be sold into. I'd certainly still be focusing on this 1077 to 1098 overhead supply band, which has consistently through December provided the selling opportunities. You may well get a bit of a technical rebound. It is possible. You've had one already today, slightly bouncing off 1047.25 as these momentum indicators have started to unwind, but exactly how far is that going to go? Well, 1060 is basically where the resistance comes back in. Bit of an old floor through December. Then 1065 I'd start to think as well. So what I'd be saying is maybe anything between 1060 and maybe 1068 is your sort of band of resistance. Nice selling opportunity there, gives you a little bit of a jump into the sort of middle area of the band. But in terms of your sort of momentum indicators unwinding, the hourly RSI tends to sort of get back towards the sort of 50s to towards 60 area as it unwinds, and then you get the selling pressure coming back in. So that's what I'd be looking out for. I still think there is further downside in this chart, and a retest of the lows is likely to be seen, rallies to be sold into. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again next week. Thank you.